one more thing as I'm in the dark here. It is time for us to make sure all Christo-fascists know that we don't care for fake-ass Christians. If you're going to go into the bunker with Mike Huckabee and all those other Christo-fascists that want to get rid of Palestinians, which, by the way, will bring in the Antichrist. See, every time there is an end of the world, there has to be a genocide of a people. The Palestinians are that people. Once that genocide is completed, then that will bring on the end of the world. The Antichrist will do his job, and he will begin the purging of humanity. Yeah. Like the Nazis. Yeah. See, if you think about it, Christo-fascists are just Nazis who pretend to care about people. But they don't. All they care about is throwing their religion and shoving up your hoo-ha. That's all they care about. Now, I think I'm going to become a pagan. As y'all know, I used to be a Christian. Long time ago. We won't talk about why. I'm no longer a Christian. At any rate, so I think it's time we have a pagan uprising. Now, I'm not saying beat up these stupid assholes from MAGA. Don't even talk to them. Make them nervous. Let them see that we won't take their false god, the liar, the one that allows human trafficking, the one that allows the Katie Johnson activities. I mean, Matt Gaetz. I mean, come on, y'all. These people have no morals anymore. They want to go back biblical, literally, and do all the stuff that the old God did with the purges and the mass impregnations of young white women. The culling of brown skin and black skin, except for the ones that will serve them. It's Alabama history, people. It's on repeat. I don't know how much clearer to make this to you. Now, right now, it's going to be gentle because they want to lull you into a false sense of security that, hey, this bitch from Alabama is crazy. She don't know what the hell she's talking about. Until it's going to be too late. Close ranks. Protect your people. Fuck MAGA. Reject them from your spaces. When they realize they've been had, they're going to have to deal with it. We cannot give resources to them. I don't even have any. I live right in the middle of Alabama. It's going to be a fight for just very existence for me here in another 2 or 3 years. But that's a price I'm willing to pay. Because I do believe in an afterlife. And when I get up there, I ain't going to be one of them bitches who did what they weren't supposed to do. The teachings of Christ are no longer part of Christianity. They voted to purge. They chose a literal representation of the 7 deadly sins over a competent black woman. I have nothing to say for MAGA anymore. But they definitely have my hate. Y'all have a good day.